Sometimes the best food is just simple. Nothing beats a clean homemade beef soup. Grab short ribs and give them a good rinse. Place them in a pot, cover with cold water. Heat it up to medium, bring it to a boil. These meats are big pieces, so once it's boiling, just let it go a few more minutes. Move the ribs into the Instant Pot. Now for the secret ingredient, apple. Slice it in half. Take out the core. Cut it into veggies. Don't worry, your soup is not going to taste like apple. The apple just helps the meat get super tender and adds a really light, nice aroma. Toast them in. Add enough hot water to cover everything. More water if you want more soup, less if you want it richer. Close the lid. Pressure cook for about an hour. When you open it up, don't panic. That weird looking stuff isn't fat, that's the apple. Take the apples out, pour out the ribs and cut them up. At this moment, the meat is so soft, it basically falls off the bone by itself. Simple ingredients, big flavor. Thanks for cooking with me. Like and subscribe to Bay's Kitchen. See you next time.